Drivers fleeing from Florida and coastal Georgia can use the express lanes heading north on Interstate 75 without paying a toll. GDOT said that could help ease some delays in gridlock for those trying to escape from Hurricane Irma.
75 is not very welcoming.
What was it like?
Mostly dead stop.
Under normal circumstances, you would need a pass to access the restricted lanes, but you can check out my full report on Channel 2 Action News this morning, including how long will the toll-free lanes remain in effect. In Henry County, Darren Moore, Channel 2 Action News.